Pretty quiet, isn't it? Here, Cessna or something. Tide's just turned out. See if I can locate the moon. Almost on the final phase. Tide has just turned out on the west coast of Florida and just turned in on the east coast. There's the sun. But 0 geoengineering aircraft, and a matter of fact, no aircraft for days. And if this is results of the government shutting down, keep it shut down. My previous video, somebody mentioned that it was sad being in daylight, breaking daylight with no birds. Well, hours later, there's still no birds. Couple come to the feeder, a couple cardinals. Seen one cat catcher. But the only trees you see here is Brazilian pepper plants, that's not natural here, and Australian pines, that is not natural here. Our oak trees are dead, and that used to be full of pine trees. And they're all dead. And a dying oak tree in the backyard. Losing our life. I hear a little chickadee or something. It's a woodpecker actually. But no aircraft leading to very blue skies. See a buzzard. Oh, I can see the glare. I can't even see the moon. Very tiny compared to 4 days ago, 5 days ago. Dark nights ahead, no moon at all for a few days. Then they come back up a little slither again. One little cloud puff. Almost like it's natural. Maybe it is. But 0 geoengineering aircraft controlling our weather since the government has been shut down. Yeah, that's one of the first planes I've seen right there actually, and it is one of their planes. So it's the first one I've seen in days. They've been spraying offshore Alaska, and I've seen major spraying in the North Sea. Looks like ships also taking part. Commercial fishermen standing by. Enjoy the blue skies while they last. But major operations offshore Alaska, they're just not spraying us for some reason. Standing by.